Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. It's a beautiful day. We are out here on the lake today to show you our 2025 Harris Crowne 250. This is Harris's flagship boat. This particular one is finished in the Oxford green. We've paired it with the paint matched 400 horsepower V10 in Oxford green as well. It's got the single engine joystick, several other amazing options on board. Starting back here at the transom, the first thing I want to note here is this boat is equipped with the ski tow pylon here. This is rated for 1,000 pounds, integrated into the chassis of the boat. It's a very strong system. Of course, I mentioned the 400 V10, painted in that Oxford green. And then we've got the lily pad easy step ladder option here as well. It goes up and down super easily on this leash. It stows away just like that. This boat has a set of chains that go across between your ski tow bar and the side here that allows you to face rear facing here on your lounger. Speaking of the lounger, this boat's got the chestnut interior, which you see here and from the photos. Exclusive to Crowne, you're gonna have a power actuated split lounger back here. It can be actuated at the push of a button. Also got a knee support that comes up and down. So you can really customize your lounging experience back here. Both passengers back here are gonna have their own dedicated controls, and this can also be controlled from your screens up at the helm. You'll see over there on the port side, you've got a wireless phone charger, 2 cup holders, USB, USB-Cs, and there are some stereo remotes back here as well. Up on this side, you're also gonna have a couple cup holders, plenty of storage throughout the boat back here. Something important to note is we've got quick connect fenders all throughout this boat as well, which you'll see the receivers for right here. Coming through the walkway, we're gonna have a nice robust gate here that opens and closes very easily and keep your pets or kids in the boat. And coming forward, this boat's going to be in the SL layout. This is the exclusive for the Crowne for the 2025 model year. Neat feature on this is you've got your bench, which very easily flips up and converts to give you that second captain's chair. This is an exclusive layout to Crowne. Can be stowed away just as easily, just like that. Lots of storage on this boat under the seats. Up there, you've got storage under the front seats as well, and of course the industry-leading ski locker, largest in the industry. This boat's gonna have an exclusive power tower with the glass panels installed. You'll see we've got the bimini up right now. It stows very easily. Integrated tower speakers are standard. We're also gonna have RGB lighting through this white strip that you see here and throughout the interior of the boat, so it makes those nighttime cruises that much more special. Over here at the helm, where the magic happens, this is a great spot to be. We've got twin 12-inch Simrad NSX series screens. We've got controls for your boat, navigation, depth finder, everything you'd ever want. Just to the right of that, you see your controls for your Mercury single engine joystick. This boat turns on a dime. It's super easy to maneuver. Got lights here, got your horn, controls for some of those auxiliary components. Got a switch here to operate your tower and a RGB scroller right here. Of course, Mercury digital throttle and shift standard on the 400 V10. And I want to point out one feature down below here. Your forward cup holder for your captain is both heated and cooled. It's a great place to keep your drink cold when you're out on the lake. Coming forward and finishing it off in the bow, you've got a lot of great space up here. This chestnut interior vinyl is cool touch throughout the boat, so it stays nice and cool even on a hot day like today. We've got flip-up armrests, both port and starboard here, that flip down very easily. Before we go up to the very front, let me show you this little spot here. So Harris has hidden a neat little table right up under this top drawer, while still retaining some space to give you access to 2 garbage cans up under here. Got an industry-leading walk-through door here that opens up and holds with a magnetic catch. Great ingress and egress from this boat. And wrapping it up at the very front, coming forward, like I mentioned, tons of storage on this boat. These seats both flip up. Here you see you've got some items in there right now. Cup holders, you've got wireless chargers, USB, USB-Cs, and this boat is equipped with the optional ottoman with cooler that you see here. Doubles as a cooler, does as a table as well. This boat's also gonna have a table that's not yet installed, can be put wherever the owner would like. This boat is available and in stock now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by, we'd be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching.